In this video, we are going to understand there are few requirements comes from a business. So, there might be a possibility that business or a client or a customer might ask you, is it possible to post ledger specific entries to vendor or customer in SAP? So the straightforward answer is no. So it's not possible to post any ledger specific transaction to customer or vendor. So today we are going to see practically what are the errors we will get if we try to post any transaction to vendor or a customer. Let's just specific transaction. So the standard SAP does not allow to post ledger specific entries to vendor and customer. So when a customer asks, so your answer should be straight away, it's not possible. If they wanted to make any adjustment entries, they can do it through a GL to GL, not through a vendor or a customer. So let's see the standard transaction code which we use to post vendor or a customer is, for example, for let's say for vendor, we use FB60. So this is the vendor, give the same date, ledger testing, amount 10. Let me go with this purchase account and amount as 10,000 and give the cost center, US urgent, then press enter and save it. So this is the document got posted 19000004. I will copy this and I will try to show you in AC Docker table. We'll now go to SC16N. Give the account number, fiscal year as 2023, and company code is Tata Motors US, and execute it. So here you are going to see there are three ledgers have been updated: 0L, 2L, and TL. Now there might be a question. So now if a business users or a customers ask, I just wanted to post only to a ledger. This will never happen. But we should be knowing that whenever if by mistakenly if a users or anyone asks, so we have to tell them that it is not possible to post vendor or a customer transaction specific to a ledger. So let's see practically. So when we go to FB50, just I'm telling like FB50 is a standard transaction code to post the GL account. So here you will not see a ledger entry. But if you go to FB50L, SAP has given you ledger specific entry here. So you can post to a ledger group. The same way, if I try to put FB60, it is showing me the transaction without a ledger entry possible in the header. If I try to use FB60L, so it will straight away say that there is no transaction exist. Even for the customer also, FB70L, it will straight away tell me that there is no transaction is possible. Now in that case, there is one more transaction where SAP has given where we can utilize and try. So here also FB01 is the standard transaction code. Okay. And through FB01 transaction, you can directly post to vendor and customer through a manual process. Okay, so let's put then FB01L. Here you will see the ledger specific transactions are possible, right? So now I will try to post a transaction and I will try to show you what SAP is telling. So I will try to post a transactions ledger group. I will give it as 0L, and account type I will give a KR. KR is a document type, and reference ledger 01 test. And if I scroll down below and if I try to give 31 is my vendor invoice credit, I will give GL account, not GL account. It is specifically a vendor GL vendor account. So when I try to post and press enter here to go to the next screen, it will tell me that posting to a ledger 0L not permitted with account type K. So SAP does not allow to post any ledger specific entries to a document type K or a D. Okay, so let's try for uh, this is for ledger 0L, right? Now we'll try for non-leading ledger FB01L. KR document type, and here I'm giving non-leading ledger as 2L. Posting key I will mention as 31. I will give the same vendor details. So again, I got the same error, 2L not permitted. So this is how it will stop you to post to a vendor. Now, if I go and give it blank, so when we give it blank, it means it will allow you to post to all the transactions. So let's post with blank. Now we'll go to the same transaction code FB01L. Here the document type is KR, Tata Motors and all. Okay. So I will give the transaction code as 31 and the GL account. When I press enter, see here, it has taken me to the next screen. I can add all the details here. I can give the body transaction key and 40012341234 5. Yeah, so I can give the purchase GL account tax, that is fine. 10,000, press enter and save it. So I can post the document with a particular transaction, and I can show the document also here. And at a table level, I will just copy this document. I will show you at table level also. Tata Motors US and the document number ERS 2023, and I will execute. So you will see here the document has been updated to all the ledger. So it is not possible to post a transaction to a specific ledger in vendor as well as customer. So for customer also we'll do small test FB01. So customer will have a document type DR. Account will be 21. So 21 is basically your customer, not 21. It will be a 01. Your customer D means debit. Let me see what are the customers we have. We have two customers. So I will go and take this customer. I will press enter. So it is taking because I have given a blank ledger. Okay. Then I will give 10,000. I will give posting key as 50 and my sales GL or some sales related specific GL I will give here. Press enter. Profit center. No result found. Not an issue. Okay. So we have posted a transaction now. 18000 is posted. Okay. So now we'll see the document. So this is the document got posted 18000. We'll go to table SC16N. We'll see the document now. Tata Motors US and year as 2023 and execute it. So you see here, this has been updated to three different ledgers because when we have given their blank. Now I will try to post specific to a ledger FB01L. I will give the same details again here and it is going to be a DR Tata Motors US and ledger 0L. So I'm just giving a 0L ledger. Try to give the same details 21 and give the customer account, press enter. So you see here we are getting a error. So zero, sorry, my mistake. It should have been 01. Yeah. So if you see here, it is saying that 0L is not permitted to account type D. Account type D is basically for a customer. So we'll try to post to Z2L ledger also. FB01L. And here I'm just updating as 2L. I'm just putting 01 and we'll take the same customer account. We'll press enter. So you see that it is still showing the error. Now what if I use the GL to GL posting through this transaction code? Whether it will allow me to post or not, we'll also see that. Basically GL to GL will allow and we have to tell the business if they have anything specific to adjustment. So it is possible only to a GL to GL transaction, not to a vendor and customer. So we'll go to FB01L. Just give all the details. SA is fine. And I'm posting only to a 12 ledger now. And let's say it is 40. We'll take one GL account. I'm going to take office rent GL account. Press and see. We are using 12 ledger and we are trying to post to a GL. When I press enter, it will take me. But when you take vendor or a customer, it will stop there itself. So vendor and customer, it will only allow for all the ledgers, not to a specific ledger. So I will give 10,000 and give posting key as 50. And I will try to give one more GL account. Give 10,000 and cost center here. For Tata Motors cost center, we have US rent. Okay, and save it. So this is a document got created. Copy this document. Go to slash and FB0. We'll see at a table level. Copy this document. Year 2023. Company code as Tata Motors US. And execute it. So it is posted to 12 ledgers. So GL to GL posting is possible. Thank you.